Hey, chat. Let me know if this sounds good. You have to be a subscriber in order to be able to chat on the or comment. So just be mindful of that. We had a beautiful trade on Nasdaq yesterday. Beautiful trade on Nasdaq. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share with the fellow trader. Just let me know on a sound check there. That sounds good. Stop a 1 or something. Okay. I took a stop on gold this morning. So we had this level marked out yesterday. Okay, but I can't really explain. If you guys don't let me know if it sounds good. You guys must let me know if it sounds good. Otherwise, I don't know. Okay, sounds good. Bro, okay, I don't know how you pronounce your name. Day and Main. That's what I'm reading. That sounds good. Okay, beautiful. Okay, so yesterday we had gold sales marked out, and we didn't get those sales. We were like literally we on time today. We 3 o'clock. So yesterday literally at 3 we had a push towards this level, so that would have been our first TP. Now we didn't get back into this level. Well, we did, but we didn't have a confirmation where we traded back to this level within the session. It came back here in Asia, the retest, and it bounced to the upside. So for that reason, I couldn't take that sell yesterday. But I'll show you what happened to me this morning. I still have this level. I'm still gonna leave it at the level marked out until we actually push away from this point. Is that good? Is that good? No. Ooh, am I tripping out here or what? Oh, that's why I'm at it. Okay, so Asia high has been taken. Asia low is still untested. It's literally at that point. So I'll just remove this real quick. It is the Asia low. Asia high has been taken. So right now it's a matter of waiting. The fact that, okay, I'm gonna show you guys structure as well. I wanted to sell over. Where did I enter a sell? Where did I take my sell? I think I entered right over here. So I went straight to stop loss. This was my level, and I'll show you in the 1 minute or the 3 minute. So you'll see I entered literally right over there. So my entry was over there, and I had a 100 pip stop, and then you can see I got stopped around that point. So lost 100 pips there, but it's fine. Let's look at what's happening here today. So obviously in the 4-hour chart, we still have this choppy type of movement, but if I go to the 1 hour real quick, you'll actually see something different. So before I got stopped out, this high didn't exist. Now we can see this is the last lower high which existed over here. That was the last lower high, and this was the lower low which formed over here. So for that reason, that's why I was bearish. Now the fact that we have taken out that high and we've made like a higher high right over there, I would potentially lean towards a bullish gold, but I would need to see price break back above this high right over here before I can look to go long on it. And if we go a bit deeper into the 15-minute chart, you'll see that we have this internal structure that formed over here. So we can see price formed lower lows, and here we had a change of character, or that shift towards the upside, and price been forming higher highs. So I anticipate that actually when price crosses the Asia high over here, we should start seeing a push towards the upside. and it's also on 60. Okay, so there actually might be a trade, yeah. It might be a trade, yeah. Yeah, there might be a trade, yeah. So I'll use this point as reference, and this will be my entry zone. So if I can have a closure above this level, I'd be really happy. Let me just see something real quick. Okay, so stop. I have to go below that level. If we don't take out this low and we break above this little green line, I would look for a long. So I would do something like this, and something like that, for a move towards the upside. But we can keep an eye on it. We can just keep an eye on it. Nasdaq yesterday, very beautiful trade. I must actually update the stream. This is a stream trade. The gold wasn't a stream trade, so it's not going to count towards the stats. But Nasdaq yesterday, we entered. I closed around over there for about 400 pips, so I'm happy. But initial target was 800, so the initial target was right over there. So it would have almost been at TP if you held all the way, but you know, I closed out. No need to be greedy. Let me quickly. Okay, so we have one on stream, and we took 400. Okay. So on Nasdaq today, let me see. We had this change of we had this shift towards the upside. I think I have to go to a higher time frame to actually see it. I think the daily should be a good one potentially. Yes, the daily. So the daily, you can see this. I told you guys we have buyers above this level, and then we will definitely have buyers above this level over here again. So if we could see Nasdaq continue pushing towards the upside, that would be great. So potentially see price push even higher, but I would have to wait. Okay, so there could be a buy on the table today, but then I won't be able to hold it because the initial target would be the zone all the way up here. That would be our target zone. Ooh, that would be my target zone out over there. But if it's on the daily, I would need to see the daily candle push above. I would need to see some sort of retracement and see it come back above this level before I can actually try and hold this trade towards that level or to the upside. But for a short-term trade, you could definitely see something like that play out. Let's go to the 15-minute real quick. This thing moved all through Asia, damn. So Asia low is untested, Asia high has been taken. I'm just following structure. This is the last high, which is not been corrected on yet. So if I could potentially see Nasdaq do something like this straight into this level and not take out this low and come back above, I would do the exact same thing as yesterday and just look for continuation towards the upside. So my stop goes below that level. I'll probably want to see it. I'll probably want to see it push above this level. So I'll just do a 1 to 2 on it most likely. So okay, let me do this. 15, 30. So I need to see something like that happen on Nasdaq today. Okay, let's see what gold's gonna do. And by the way, guys, this is not financial advice. This is not signals. This is not. Don't consider this financial advice. We're gonna trade T30. Yeah, we're gonna be Day and Main. Bro, I don't know how to pronounce your name. But yeah, I'm still gonna be live here, 3:30. I'm probably gonna be live until 4:30. So it will be great to see that Nasdaq move actually come through during this time. Some nice volatility, and if they can hold that level, I'll be really happy. We also have a nice institutional point here. One second. So if we could hold that level and that little box, I'd be really happy for some longs. Simple trade. Like I told you guys, we're not here to rush any trades. I'm not here to push volume like that. If you do want to use the brokers I use, go in my description. There is 2 brokers. CFI if you're looking for more institutional grade trading, and then we also have HFM. I use them for the unlimited leverage. So kom ons kyk wat gaan gebeur vandag hier op die markets. Yeah, what are you guys looking at? See anything you guys are looking at? Let's just, if we could correct that level, that'll be great. So I'm gonna leave it on gold actually, and we'll come back to this just before the open, because I do not want to miss that. I don't want to miss out on gold. What I'm expecting here on gold, also why I would lean bullish, is if we're rejecting this level right now. I also have a different way of doing my institutional levels nowadays. So the fact that that level is holding, so buyers above that level, so I'd still be happy to potentially get in. Okay, you guys are very quiet in the chat today. You're just waiting for a setup, eh? And now what's happening? Babe? Hey, Aegis, how's it? Lovely, lovely man, how are you doing? Bro, bang off a trade yesterday on US30. How long did you hold? You missed it, had to fetch the wife from work? Okay, I see. We're waiting for the similar setup today. We're gonna see longs on it still. We're gonna see them retrace now with the open, and potentially come back in that level and then see a push above that level. But if they go there, it's gonna be a very tricky one, to be honest. Then I might lean towards a flying knife. Oh damn, I didn't even do that. Hey, hey, my brother got his RE5. Ayo, ayo. Ayo, the man got his RE5. Damn, so proud of him. So now my brother comes on stream. My brother comes on stream. We can give you guys financial advice when we take trades. Then we are allowed to do it. I might be more aggressive with the stop loss, depending on how far we retrace. I might be more aggressive with it. And if that is the case, then for instance, let's say they do something like that, then I'll go for much tighter TP. Yeah, TP will be there. So it all depends on how the move happens. Okay, 10 more minutes before the open. 10 more minutes. Okay, so now we're just patiently waiting. Just patiently waiting for something. Ayo, ayo, ayo. Whoo, clear no net. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. Chill. No, I don't like that. I don't like that. What happened on that candle? Or is that them locking in the position? Damn. I don't know, man. I just have a feeling if I go long now, I'm gonna hit the stop. But also hurt if they leave me, eh? It will also hurt if they leave me. Like we broke this down now. Let me see if I can go back so far. Didn't I draw a thingy? I didn't draw a thingy. But yeah, I wanted entry. Yeah, I wanted entry there with a stop. With a stop, yeah. Oh, if they leave me, it's gonna hurt, eh? Okay. If they close above this level, I'll still be happy. Then maybe what I can do is if they can close above this level, I can wait for a retest on this, and then I can take it. But let's see how it closes. 7 more minutes. It's a bummer, man. It happened too quickly. It happened way too quickly. Oh my word, eh? This thing is moving. Why did I put this line here? Why did I put that line there? Okay. But this level is where tires are above. Yes, you guys, that sucks, man.
Record your screen, camera, and voice to bring more of you to your message.
Okay, my mic disconnected there. My mic disconnected. Um, I don't know where the other one is. Okay, we do some admin. Okay. Okay, so that mic is charging. Let's hope this one survives until then. To answer your question, okay. Just give me 1 second with the mic quickly. The mic died, so I'm just giving it a little bit of krach. I don't know how that happened, but yeah, I'm just gonna basically not mute myself, but you'll know if I enter. Yo, this is gonna be a struggle now with these two mics. Sorry, man, I was muted now, and I told you guys, um, I will have entry at one of those two levels on Nasdaq. USDT is at all-time high, so I don't want to get involved there. Um, Gold, I want to get into. I want to get into gold. I've been calling the moves before they happen the whole time now, but getting into the move itself is the problem. And like I told you guys, we have app playing as well. We we we're not just gonna blindly take trades. Basically, we don't just blindly take trades. You guys should see on the stream currently we have a pip counter or we have a stat counter. So we've only taken one trade on stream that was on Nasdaq, and we caught 400 pips on it. 400 pips, and I want eventually people to be able to come back on the streams and they can count the pips themselves and so forth, because I've done the stats on other people who trade live, and trust me, it's just not it. It's just not it. It's just not it. Uh oh, what am I doing? Uh, Jeff Jolts at 4, so you should get that play. Hopefully, hopefully I can get in. I want gold on Nasdaq. Just see Nasdaq. I was. So guys, so every day on stream, every day since I've come back on stream, I call the move on gold, and then like it's like just after 3, like it starts moving. So I'll be very honest. I think I might miss it. I think I might miss it, but I hope not. But either way, still happy. Still happy with um the trade yesterday. And when I stream, obviously that's trades for you guys. Ooh. That's trades for you guys. So if you guys can catch trades and make money, I'm more than happy. Come on, gold man, do your thing, baby. And then guys, I'm gonna sound like a broken record. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the stream with other traders that trade as well. Everything I do here is free on the stream. But if you do want to learn from me, I obviously have a mentorship program. And if you want to get in touch with me for my program, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. And then I do one-on-one sessions. I have a group. We have links down below to our Telegram, our Discord, our brokers. There's a lot that I offer. Main thing with our program is not that you just buy something and then no, I tailor it based on your needs and your wants, your desires. And yeah, the whole purpose of the program is to help you become profitable. Wait, what? Okay, gold. Am I back in PE? No, not yet. Not yet. Um, the plan is to come back end of this month, but to be honest, there is a possibility I might move to George instead of PE. But we'll see what happens. Sorry, I'm not sure if you heard me there, London. I didn't have the mic on. No, we're still in Cape Town. The plan is to come down end of August to PE, but there is a possibility I might move to George, but it's not final yet. We're still deciding on that, but I'm still in Cape Town. She's doing very very well. She has her last session on the 11th, and then she's done with her like her physio and her medical side of things. So then from there, it's just basically making sure that we keep on focusing on making sure that she progresses, and that's the most important thing now. Me and the wife is happy. We're happy that she's finally like it's 8 months later now, and we can really see now like okay, we don't have to worry anymore. We just have to be patient. Yeah, bro, and she thinks she's Tarzan now, but like literally 2 months ago, she could only sit, and now she thinks she's Tarzan, bro. Like, do you know how many times I must say, no, don't do that. Like, don't like come here. You can't. Do you know how many times I have to tell her, boo? But I love her to bits. I love her to bits. She makes me so happy. You know, um, after having a child, like having a child really makes you realize what it is or what it means to love and to be loved unconditionally. Yeah, man, she teaches me so much, and I think that's also why I've changed my trading method up so much because like she has really taught me patience, man. Like I'm like I don't think people understand the amount of patience I have now. If you guys hear a kid crying in the background, it's not my baby. There's a lot of kids in this house. Yo, Lyndon, I wouldn't, I, I wouldn't wish that upon anyone, bro. Uh, I think I said it the other day on stream. You can have money, you can buy clothes, you can buy food, you can buy toys, but you can't buy health, you can't buy happiness, you can't buy time. And that was one of the biggest things that I had to learn during this time. But yeah, bruh. Okay, that other mic gave in now. This one should be able to carry us now for this to stream. But yeah, like I was saying, it's not nice to sleep in the hospital. It's really not a nice feeling. Okay, gold is golding. Gold is golding. Nasdaq is Nasdaqing. Yo, if I kept on holding that yesterday, it would have hit TP, but it's okay. It brings some other vibes in, yeah.
Stem separation.
Oh my word, man. Definitely, but especially with the little one, to be patient teaches that patience. Bro, children are, and it's like the smallest things they do, man. It's the smallest things they do that, like, if, like, for instance, I catch myself maybe getting, like, not irritated, man, but like, when she's throwing all the stuff around, and it's like, bro, I just picked up all these toys, but then it's like, bro, like, they're just kids, bro, they're just kids. So you have to, and also, like, a thought I had was, with my baby, a thought I had was, I can't get mad at her for just being a kid, because not doing the same thing what my dad used to do when I was a child. It's at a point now in a way, like, I would come into the room, I'd maybe step on a toy, Michaela would hit me and be like, the baby's toys, and I'd be like, why is it laying all over the place, I never thought I would. It's like such a, like, the more I like the longer you were a parent, there's certain things that happen where you're like, you didn't even think about this, but it's like, if you think back to, like, when you were a child, like, these are things that you experienced, and now that you're a parent, it's like, you understand, but also it's like, yeah, man, it's an interesting thing. Guys, I think we're gonna miss that gold trade. I think it's evident now that I think I must go. It's been now, today is what? Today is Tuesday, so 4 days in a row now. Gold moves without us, and we call the direction. So 4 days in a row. So I definitely think there's gonna be some sort of adjustment that has to be made with the time I go live. Bro, I know that feeling, bro. It's like, especially when they watch you before they do it, also, and it's like, you can't even get mad, man. Especially when it's so cute, man. Also, and there's also a thought, like a realization I've had through, like, how they say, like, girls are softer than boys. Yo, bro, like, I really want a boy now. I really want a boy. Wait, Lyndon, do you have boys and girls, or only girls? Wait, how many kids do you have? Might be a personal question. I'll just put it out there. I want 7 kids, so I need 6 more. So we have a long way to go. But you see these jobs at 4, and there's some news. Hopefully that news has some volatility and can give us a little something. Just one, but probably next year when I have another one. Okay, okay. See, also a girl dad. But it's cool though. Also, it's cool to see how all of the people, or most of the people I know, they're becoming like the girl dads. It's a cool thing to see. I want to raid someone's stream. How many people in the chat? How many of you guys in the chat? I want to raid someone's stream. Let's go spam the chat. Let's go steal the people. Because they're gonna hit stop loss anyway. So let's go spam them, have them come here, have them save money. I think we'll clean the country that way. I think we should do that. Okay, Frank, let's raid. Okay, but we can't only be 3 people who raid the stream. Like, we have to be at least like 10 people in there, you know. You have to be at least 10 people. Ages are usually here. Black Blue are usually here. I would love to raid a guy's stream. I would love to raid your stream because. Okay, let me not say that. Let me not be an asshole. I'm still here. I'm not leaving. 5 more minutes before that news comes out. Now I think let's continue growing the stream first. Let's get to the point where it's like, you know, our chat's more active, and then it's that guy. There's 3 people stream I wanna raid. 3 people. 2 individuals and 1 guy streaming for a broker. Hey guys, I'm really skeptical about gold, eh? If I miss it, I'll be really disappointed. I wanted to do something now. I don't again. What do you guys think about all the prop firm drama in South Africa at the moment? There's one guy. He's currently. Oh, I see. There's actually a new post. One guy's is busy with the case at the High Court with the prop firm. Another prop firm is shutting down. There's some Owen starting a new broker, powered by JP Markets. Hey, these new brokers that just launched. Nah, I don't wanna. I'm done with that life. I'm done with that life. I'm happy with HFM, happy with CFI. If I have to move to a new broker, they would have to give us an office. They would have to give us an office. Babe, that one is June. Hey guys, this feels like the longest. I guess I have to get used to it also streaming like this and trading like this. It's different compared to back in the day. We used to look at so many pairs. Yo, we used to look at what like Euro USG, GBP USD, GBP JPY, USD Yen, gold, Nasdaq, USD, oil, and if there's something else you guys want to see, we should look at that too. Yo, we used to hoy Rocky on the stream, young. Okay, Jolt's coming out in 1 minute. Okay, 30 seconds. Let's see. Now the pullback on Jolts. I'm hoping so. I'm hoping so. Okay. Start date. Let's see. What's Nasdaq doing? Okay, so Nasdaq, no buys was the on the day. Let's see if gold's gonna give us that pullback. But if nothing but offers for guys, then no trade. Come on, man. Hey guys, I don't think we're gonna get a trade here. I don't think we're gonna get a trade, to be honest. It's moving. It's moving. It's moving. I won't lie. I would love to go in on USD, but I would have to see. I'd have to see something over here first. Guys, I don't think we get this trade. Hey Tix, welcome brother, welcome. Het gaat alright brother. Jouw kant, hoe gaat het? Nah, glad to hear you're doing good, man. Yeah, bro, we back. I've been trying to go live for a long time, bro, and I finally figured it out. Yeah, and here we are, you know. It's been almost a week now, so Thursday will be a week. And you guys are crazy, man. Yeah, guys, I won't lie. Like the way gold's moving, I don't think it's a trade, man. I think at this point I'm just forcing it. You know, I should have been in already. This is my entry. Yeah, this was my entry. I should have been in. We'll give it a few. We'll see how it plays out. We'll see how it plays out. Yeah, no, guys, I won't lie. I really just feel like I'm forcing this trade right now. There's nothing that I can do. Nasdaq wanted buys on that too. I couldn't get in on those buys. This thing is just like this thing is flying. We got in there yesterday afternoon. That was an insane call we had. That was an insane call we had on Nasdaq yesterday. But like I told you guys, I'm not here to force trades. I'm not here to do anything like that.
Your ads are running. Customers are messaging you on WhatsApp every day. So why are sales still not catching up? Because